Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got to sell this Kawasaki ZX10R KRT edition. This is like Kermit the Frog on steroids. Finished off in the Kawasaki green, it is gorgeous. This one's a 2019 on a 19 plate, and it's only done 2,708 miles. Scorpion exhaust on this, tail tidy, seat cowl. Yeah, gorgeous bike. I'll turn on display, as you can see how fast they are. Look at them. Ooh. Mega. They come with the quickshifter on there, obviously the noise from that. Claimed 200 horsepower engine, and to be fair, we do a lot of mapping on these, and yeah, it is around the 200 horsepower mark. Dead easy to read display. You've got your power modes on there, adjustable traction control as well, and also ABS you've got on there as well. Let's give it a start up. Really quick revving on these. It is an absolute stunner. Anyway, if you're looking for something to frighten your socks off, get yourselves one of these. All you need to purchase, pop down to Jordanbikes, give us a shout. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.